Hi guys, Galaxy Fart here. So first of all, you're going to need to create a file that you know you will remember. You're also going to need a plugin by Already Pro, link in the description. Then go to your Create tab. Then you can go ahead and create a new game with baseplate or open one of your games already by clicking Edit. So once you have your Roblox open, go to View, then click the Show Grid. You're going to need this to guide you to the origin of the game. You will also need, because this is the origin of Blender and this is the origin of Roblox Studio. A common problem with people putting or importing their Roblox character into Blender is that they will accidentally put their Roblox character somewhere out in the open. Then it will also show that their Roblox character is out here when it should be on the origin. So that plugin, so go to plugins, so character, then go ahead and type the username of whoever you're going to add, then make sure that it's marked as spawn at origin. Then go ahead and spawn that. You can also go ahead and pose your character. So I already posed my character, so I'm gonna delete him. And then you're going to select your full model. Then here you're gonna click your right mouse button and then export selection. Find that file that you saved and go ahead and give it a name that you're going to remember and then click save. I already have it saved, so open up Blender, select that cube in the middle and then click delete to remove that. Then go up here to file, import wavefont.obj. Then here you will see your files. Try to find the file that you made. Then once you select that, find where it says .obj. The one with the MTL is the textures for your Roblox character, but the OBJ is going to be that actual model. Import OBJ. Then here you will see a model. Usually it would be gray, but accidentally had mine as a texture, so yours would be looking like this. So click the top here and then click texture. That's where you would be able to see the texture of your Roblox character. And now go ahead and position the camera and the lighting to wherever you need it to. To see the lighting better, you need to click this circle up here. Then it should instantly show you how it looks with lighting. So that's pretty cool. To see it from your camera angle, click 0 on your keyboard. Then that should instantly basically show you that. And then to render image, you click render image, and then click Shift S to save. But there's going to be a gray background, so to make it transparent, you click context render, scroll down to where it would say film, click that, then mark it as transparent. That should let you have a transparent background. That's a bit annoying, so go back to the circle, render image, and that is how you have a transparent background. Then you can go ahead and save that by Shift S. But if you want to have different shading, you can go ahead and do that, and then go ahead and mess around with the ambient and bloom and that. But if you're interested in bending any parts of your character, go to select your character, edit mode, And now, if you were just to select, or actually, so select here, then why is this not working? Okay, that's only going to select your the surface of that. To get the full thing, click on X-ray, and then if you were to do that, it would fully do it. Then go ahead and select what you're going to be bending. I'm going to be trying to bend one of my wings, so there's a clearer view of, and then go ahead and either move or rotate, whatever you want to do with it. And then just go back to object mode when you're done, then re-click the X-ray. And that is how you bend. Oh, that looks nasty. Okay, and then you can go ahead and go back to rendering to save. And that is how you basically put your Roblox character in Blender. If you have any questions, go ahead and put that in the comments. I am not good with talking on camera. Alright, well, have fun doing that. Bye.